Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. If your skincare routine isn't giving you results, the problem might not be the products, but the way you're using them. Today, I'm sharing 7 common skincare mistakes that might be damaging your skin without you even realizing it. Let's fix them together. Alright, mistake number 1, not washing your face properly. Some people just splash water and call it done. But dirt, oil, and pollution need a gentle cleanser to go away. Always cleanse your face twice a day, morning and night. Next up, mistake number 2, over-exfoliating. Exfoliating helps remove dead skin, but doing it daily can strip your skin barrier. Limit exfoliation to 1-2 times a week depending on your skin type. Moving on to mistake number 3, skipping sunscreen. No matter the weather, sunny, cloudy, or even indoors, sunscreen is a must. UV rays cause premature aging, dark spots, and even skin cancer. Mistake number 4, sleeping with makeup. It's tempting after a long day, but never sleep with makeup on. It clogs pores, causes breakouts, and ages your skin. Always remove your makeup properly. Next, mistake number 5, not moisturizing oily skin. People with oily skin often skip moisturizer, but that makes your skin produce even more oil. Use a lightweight, oil-free moisturizer instead. Mistake number 6, changing products too often. Switching products frequently won't give you quick results. It confuses your skin. Give any product at least 3-4 weeks before deciding if it works. Finally, mistake number 7, ignoring your neck. Your neck shows signs of aging too. Whatever you apply on your face, serum, moisturizer, sunscreen, apply it on your neck as well. So those were the 7 skincare mistakes to avoid. Did you find any of them relatable? Let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more skincare tips. Your skin deserves the best.